Hey guys, welcome back to Hollywood Mechanic. Today we are here to show you the newest product from Hollywood Mechanic, and that is the clear lit up Spirit of Ecstasy for Rolls-Royce. It'll fit any Rolls-Royce from 2012 up, the Dawn, the Ghost, or the Phantom, and it looks exactly like the factory one. The detail there is a perfect Spirit of Ecstasy. And it is a plug-and-play system, and it will stay lit while you drive or anytime your lights are on, not just when you hit the lock and unlock button like the factory one does. It's very easy to remove. You're just going to need to remove the trim around the Spirit of Ecstasy, which in most cases is just a few pop tabs, a couple of T20s, and then you just pop it up off of the top of the grill. Different models vary slightly. And then you need to take your Spirit of Ecstasy off, and then to take this off, it is like a T that goes up inside of there, but there is a little locking pin. If you look at the back of the Spirit of Ecstasy, when you have the trim off, you'll see a little hole with a little metal tab inside, and you need to press that inward and downward, and that will unlock the Spirit of Ecstasy, and it should be able to rotate off either direction, actually, clockwise or counterclockwise. However, I did have a couple from the factory that had some glue on them, so for those I shot a little bit of silicone up underneath the bottom and then held the bottom firmly while tapping on the top with a dead blow or a rubber mallet, something gently to vibrate it, and then gently work it back and forth while holding that pin down. You need to be holding that pin in and down, and then the Spirit of Ecstasy will come off. Okay, now to put this Spirit of Ecstasy on, the new one, the wires are a little the LEDs a little bit different than what was there. So you're going to need to feed that right in here. And once you feed that in there properly, you'll start to see that come up right there. So we're going to feed that up here. And then we're actually going to go ahead and glue this to the bottom of the Spirit of Ecstasy. There's a little ring there that will fit around. You just glue that on, and you glue it so that the wires are facing the same direction of the Spirit of Ecstasy. Okay, then you'll click this down and turn it over here and lock it into place. Once it clicks and you hear that little tab in the back pop up, then you know it's locked into place. Okay, then you're going to run the wires straight down underneath of it, and this little hole right here you're going to zip tie to there. If you can feed it through those that little hook up here at the top and through those little tabs would be great. And then just run it, and you're going to zip tie there, 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 there. And then right here, if you don't have a factory option, it's going to run its own, it's going to run along the factory harness. It's going to run all the way underneath, and we're going to get it to follow right down there. So you're basically following under that quarter panel, and it's going to drop down. You're going to need to remove these 8mm screws here, and you can see up in there where everything is going, you know, from up at the top up there. And you're going to bring it down, and you're going to unplug this marker right here. So just reach up in here, and we're going to squeeze the tab. The tab is facing the front of the car, so you squeeze it, and as you pull on the plug, it's hard to get. It's better to do with the wheel off, but there we go. Once you have that plug off, and right here, then what you're going to do is, mine comes already wired. You will just plug in my harness like this into here. Plug it in, make sure it clicks. And then you'll use this plug to plug in to this marker again, the clip facing forward like this. And make sure it clicks, and then you're good to go.